there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be diving into the exciting world of video editing by learning how to import footage. Get ready to make your video come to life. Importing footage is like bringing all ingredients to cook your delicious meal. Think about it. It's the first step in making your video masterpiece. If I don't get anything right, this I'm sure I got right. There is no way you want to start editing without you importing your footage first. So on today's video, we'll be doing a quick tour of Premiere Pro. Think of it like exploring a new city. So I'll be showing you where to find the magic button to bring your video into the editing world, which is Premiere Pro. So there are many ways you can bring your footage into Premiere Pro. It's just like you choosing how to enter a cool party. You can either walk in, knock, or have your passcode, right? So that is how you can import your footage in Premiere Pro. What you see here is the Premiere Pro environment. Now, you installing Premiere Pro for the first time, your environment, or let me say your workspace, might not be exactly like this. I actually have a video which I've done, which you can use to customize your workspace. Though this is not my workspace, this is the default workspace. And how do I achieve that? Basically, just go to the windows here, you see workspace here, and right now I click on learning because this video is meant for beginners, right? But the exact one I use is the one you see here as EpeeTech. So this video is not for the workspace, right? So I'm diving into that. So Premiere Pro is like a friendly host that welcomes all kinds of guests. Think about it. That tells you that Premiere Pro supports all kinds of file types, but not all kind of, but it supports mostly all the type of files. Talking about the video, talking about your pictures, talking about music, talking about audio, sounds. Premiere Pro supports all this. So here are the types of files Premiere Pro supports. Yeah, it's a lot, right? So you might want to pause this video to glass through it, but not to worry about it. With time, you're going to get familiar with all these types of files. Let's start importing like a pro. Like I said, there are many ways you can import in Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you some of them, if not all. Now, first thing is this. This is the control panel where you have a project, and you can see here it says import media to start. So now the first way you can want to try to import is you clicking on this, double click on it. It's going to pop up your file explorer, right, where you can be able to select the cool videos, audio you have. You might want to drag. It allows you to drag your clip inside it. Let's do a quick one. So here I have this footage. I have some footage here, which you've seen some during the introduction, right? Now I can easily just pick this and drag it down here. So here I have it. That's the second way, right? Second method. Now you can as well go to, we have a panel. If you don't have this panel, which is called media browser, you can just go down to your window here. You're going to see, media browser. You can enable it. You can enable it, or you can use Shift+8 to achieve it. And also, I've done a video for this shortcut that you can make that can make your video editing faster. I'm going to drop the link in the description, and as well probably I'm going to drop the link somewhere on the screen. Yeah, you can check that out. Now you can come to the media browser here. Here you'll be able to see your local disks, and you can decide to pump in and select those videos you want. That's the third way that you can achieve that. So quick one, let me import some footage. The easiest way for me to import footage, which I use, which is not kind of you have to use, is not compulsory, right, is by dragging it. I love to drag it. So I have it open here. I know what I want. I can easily just click on the videos and drag them in. So I have them here. And after you've imported your footage, you want to arrange them. So quick one, this workspace here, I'm not really used to it. So I'm just going to go back to my own workspace, then adjust this. All right. So going down here, I have my workspace here, and I want to just click on EpeeTech. This rearrange my workspace. I love it this way. The reason why I love it this way, you're going to come across that in the video for that. Now I have my footage here. Like I said, Premiere Pro has set a lot of file types, right? You want to have your video, you want to have your music, you want to have your sound, you want to have you also have pictures, right? So this takes us to organizing. We need to organize our footage for easy access. So here you can come down here, you can see new bin here. This allows you to create a new folder. So you want to name your folder. You want to have many folders, right? Probably this is going to be for videos, or let's say maybe you have a raw video. Let's agree that these 4 videos are the videos I haven't worked on. So I want to click on them and just select them. Then I can drag it inside. You can see. And also let's just put it as an imagination. Let's say I already have some kind of audio, right, which you can say sounds. So I have that folder. Those sounds are inside. I want to have another stuff like that. So let's say this is what I want to have. I have my raw videos, I have the sound, I have the pictures, I have process. I do use process a lot. This process is just what I'm working on right now. So I like to put them in process folder. So I know where I have my raw videos, I know where I have the sound to use, and I know where I have the clips I'm working on, just like that. So we're ready to take your video editing skills into the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials. And remember, your comments and questions are always welcome. I remain Emmanuel. Stay creative and see you in the next.